is the open sourcing StarkOS, our newest offering that will connect machines and run programs in a distributed fashion at the operating system level through web technology. I stopped helping all the lurkers because, given the importance of this open source project, I think it's better to grow more organically. Today we're listening to the Bass Rebels instrumental playlist. And I forgot to open my browser. Okay, so the way this is going to work is through CouchDB, which is deployed as a Kubernetes Helm chart on my Ubuntu virtual machine. So here is my CouchDB instance. Okay, where did we leave off last time? Well, for starters, I won't recap everything that's happening anymore because that's gonna waste like an hour now that things are almost bootstrapped. So what that means is the service creates the correct users and folders so that everything will work once it starts deploying its own resources and users through its own packages. So what I've done is my database manages, or my engine CouchDB, it manages the databases for me by user. So every one of these databases corresponds to an entry in the users table. And right now my CouchDB is running a cluster of three servers through Kubernetes. I could scale that up and down and it would be seamless. And this is a resource, for example, and I mark it as such, and this resource gets replicated, so you can see I have a replication, gets replicated to this admin user here, and it's a one-way replication. And last time I found that CouchDB has actually really good security management. I just didn't know about it. So if I go to the security document, no, not this one, like this, I can manage what user can log into what database, which of course makes the security model a lot simpler to implement, because now my resources will be orchestrated by my user directly instead of having to go through a centralized admin database. Even though the centralized admin database does have its uses, and it won't be replicated down to users or have users replicated up to it, which helps with privacy. Now this user will be able to bootstrap its configuration down to its resources, and in the future I'll be able to orchestrate software on resources in a distributed way. So I'll implement like a single orchestrator model that still is most likely not gonna break if you run two orchestrators unless it's used in various edge cases. But it will be easier once this is done to start having an orchestrated service that fully enables users to orchestrate their software across their resources. So what I was doing last time, this is a 5-minute recap. Sorry I started a bit early. I like to surprise my viewers because if I make this too easy for them, it's not fun, you know. If you just get everything and get to lurk and don't interact at all, then I'm not satisfied that I'm getting enough interaction with my viewers. So anyway, what I did last time is I bootstrapped the admin user or the admin database with the bootstrapping packages from disk. So when this orchestrator bootstraps, it looks at packages and it looks at the core and the edge, and there will be one browser. I could even make that folder now. So it takes this package, it zips it, it encrypts it using a PGP password, and then it dumps it into the database, into the admin database, encrypted with the admin password. And then when my user is added using a HTTP request through a route that I created, the user registration service takes the package from this admin user, decrypts it using the admin password, and then encrypts it using this user's password. And then in the future, I will switch to a similar method of using public key encryption to encrypt the software that I deploy. So I use this request in order to create a user, and then that user gets bootstrapped with their own key, mind you, that is generated by the client when they sign up. And then they have their bootstrapping package, or packages, because this is just the edge package, and then there will be a browser package. And the difference between those is like this. First of all, there's a core bootstrapping, which only exists for the admin. Which essentially exists only only with when the server is running in core mode, like on Kubernetes, as part of the centralized service that will manage user accounts, for example, and nodes and resource accounts centrally for now. And that's gonna run a specialized central services, and then on the edge it'll be Node.js on a Raspberry Pi across the internet, going to this central place like an IP. You can see here I have a configuration file here that goes to the central service, and I also expose the database so that the users will be able to use this database much more straightforward than having to code my own management of the data, at least to Bootstrap anyway. And that's the Edge server service. And then another type of Edge that won't be on the server is through a browser. So because it's all JavaScript and TypeScript, what I'll be able to do is I'll be able to use isomorphic JavaScript that I've already created a folder for called shared, which will run both on the server and on the browser. And essentially the browser will be treated as a server, as a web server. And I have some tutorials that show me how to do that. That essentially creates a browser as a resource. And then I can run, if you look at our intro video on our webpage, here, sorry, I didn't update this, I totally will for next time. But if you look here and you look at our intro video, you see, let me mute it quick if it'll play. So if you look here, where is it? Yeah, you'll see drones. So there's 4 browser windows and they're all synchronized, and they don't need much network to be able to play a video across devices through the browser as a drone. And then, you know, it's not just me using drones. There's also this guy. He's using drones for synthesizers, but unfortunately he has to solder all of his because apparently his mom doesn't like computers or something. So drones are cool, and people who use technology should be able to address or federate their computing resources, like their phones, their tablets, their Raspberry Pis, any of their friends who want to donate and possibly even get paid in the future for their computing time. This operating system will be able to enable that in a seamless way. And also I was thinking that if you have some sort of software that you run on your home deployment, if, let's say, you move around between between service providers, like my core service here, between database engines, for example, you should be able to redeploy and pick up your software where it left off. And why is this important? Well, think about COVID and I have a very, very worrying anecdote, which I think everyone, including the health officials of Canada, should definitely have looked into this. But of course, by the time the checks and balances come into play, it's basically people like me are putting in their free time and an effort into this instead of them. So of course, by the time the bureaucratic and autocratic officials get involved, I've already been juiced of everything, and anyway, it's a positive thing anyway, because in the end everybody will be able to use this, even though this is me volunteering, and my only concern is, why are tech companies, even volunteers, they say they're volunteers. I've worked with some of these volunteers, and in the end, the lead guy is trying to close source the electronics or the hardware design of the very bioreactors that are necessary to produce the chemicals for the vaccines. So that to me is a travesty, and I'm shouting like at the walls here, which is fine. I don't expect anything from anyone. And I learned to be a humble person from the kind of passive aggression that these very not humble people in technology have managed to, lie and try and profiteer off of this emergency. And in software, we have the principle of free and open software exactly to prevent cases like this. And my own personal life is suffering a lot. I have missed a lot of opportunities. Clearly, I know what I'm doing. Clearly, there's, again, trillions of dollars. If you don't believe me, kind of look up who makes operating systems. That's not a secret. There's lots of fanboys around. Nobody's making things easier, and in the end, what is needed is for people to stop hating us honest software developers. And this is what this project is about, is extending a very, very expensive, for me at least, olive branch at zero cost to the people that just go ahead and try and profit off us, the very same people who are trying to help them. So I think the state of technology as it is today, those trillion-dollar companies should absolutely be ashamed of where they are right now. It's not a work in progress, as our glorious Canadian leader likes to say. It's much more, we haven't started because we don't have any incentive other than to take advantage of the people that creates the incentive, basically, of the people that are honest and want to move forward. And I've seen the same thing in multiple situations, such as code verification, which is nobody, and I mean nobody, will let you sit there, pay you for 100% tested code, because they just listen to articles that were written like 10, 20 years ago that say, oh, only NASA, or only you have to pay well to have your code bug free. And we just pay insurance, or we'll just pay support. we'll just go pay other countries like from the east, and they'll take care of our problems for us at the expense of everybody having this passive aggression towards the people who try their best to model conflicts and try and foresee the issues that always get in the way of profit and of especially of progress. And that's the main point. Progress is a lot more important than profit. And you will never be able to have your profit without the progress, because people like me will rise up and we will not stop. I've had professors who essentially semi-passively aggressively raged at me, saying that you need money to think, and no, you don't. You need money to eat, not to think. You could sit there and starve and still have better ideas than the best trillion-dollar leaders that are trying to put money in their pockets throughout the planet burning, the virus taking so many lives, wars, throughout all of that. And the reason why I'm so fired up today is this is not a rant. It's more of a realization that I've had. It's that what happened is I was trying to arrange for my company, We Watch Wall, to pitch to investors through you saw my email, through I go to school, and I was disqualified without even being allowed to compete. And after a couple of heated emails back and forth with the coordinator at our school incubator, she was unable to provide me with any real feedback. This is 3 days before pitch day. She was unable. She only just gave me a few criteria that I already satisfied in my intro video that I showed you, and saying that, I don't understand. I've spent months. This is a person's hard work, and she just decided that she didn't understand the video that I've spent months working on, having had it reviewed by a CEO who has a ton of pitching practice and experience, and having gone to their information sessions, of course, and now I'm being dishonestly disqualified. She basically lied, saying that somehow she didn't even give me a clear reason why. There was some issue that was not addressed in my intro video. So if you're lurking and you see some issue that you think that I would be better off putting in my intro video, make it more jazzy somehow, so to appeal to these conservative ideals that somehow I'm supposed to teleport some information that I have no idea what it is into the conservative mind that gets it past the ignorance, then I would appreciate these lurkers that I'm seeing on my channels come forward and tell me what the heck it is. Because otherwise what's going to happen is you're going to see your stocks realize their bubbles. They're tech bubbles that were created with the sole purpose of preventing real, honest progress and enabling the profit off of incrementally smaller and less important features, as opposed to complete general suites of features of software that are necessary now in order to provide vaccines, to provide the technology for those vaccines. As an example, there's a lot more examples. What I've seen online with the human condition of risque entertainment for money online. That's very Pavlovian of you, tech guys. You pay for your risque at the expense of training those poor people that their intimate moments require funds, and that's just not right. And these not humble and very conceited people that run these sites think that because it's tech and the law lags behind the tech abilities, that somehow all of us got stupid in the meantime and don't realize what it is that's happening there. There's other examples as well, like I said, with the verification and the dumbing down of code. Nobody pays us to use the very tools that would simplify our development of technology. They always try to micromanage and shortcuts and use the stupid statistics, like how many lines of code does your software have, to justify firing their employees, or justify this passive aggression, or just disguise their aggression, to justify going down the wrong path on technology, which is so very wrong. And I've actually had many cases where it's provable. Like, you can go on LinkedIn and you can see, even based on their description of their jobs, there's very good clues. Like, it's black and white. You can look at it and it looks like they're just going at it illegally. And now I've contacted the proper authorities about it, and they're just acting dumb too. Like they just pretend they didn't see the email, or just don't respond, and like within more than half a year, and I'm having to repeat my issues to them because, you know, I'm sure they had COVID and whatnot. But, you know, again, this is enforcement. This is the truth. This is objectivity, and all of that with the power of tech, which is trillions. You know, maybe the law lags behind tech, not because it's not able to regulate tech, but rather because tech would rather not doesn't want to conform to the law, which is very, very worrying. They have the power and they have the freedom to not obey democracy and not obey the law. So, of course, all of these issues are what drives people like me to take a stand, even though a great cost to my voice, but also to my own personal time and situation, you know? And then to see lurkers, that's just insulting. Like, it's not surprising. I'm not. I might just close source the rest of it. I'm not, but I might just close source the applications of it a lot more if people don't get engaged, because that just tells me that people just, I would rather sit around complacently, getting paid to do their job, to take shortcuts in their jobs, than be proactive and engage in a project that clearly has merit and clearly deserves to be viral and to be participated with. So I'm sure more followers will come. I really despise those who lurk and do nothing. It's like, hey, what's the secret here? Okay, I guess so. I guess I can copy some of this, but I don't feel like engaging, and that to me is not what open source is about. So if I see lurking, I'll take steps like I won't be on schedule, or I'll surprise you in other ways that the lurkers won't like. But don't think I'm ever gonna close source anything general like this, because it's against the whole point, right? So that's instead of your recap. If you're trying to lurk, you got to listen to why you shouldn't. Go away. I don't want you listening to me if you're just gonna sit there and judge me and take hints and not care about the issues that I brought up. That everybody, every technocrat and every autocrat just seems to want to copy from and like draw profit from, and not contribute back. I'll think of other creative ways to make those lurkers contribute back. We'll see. Maybe I'll, when I launch that's what I think I'll do. I'll include the early access to the open source code as a perk of the Kickstarter when I finally get there. So until then, if you're lurking, be ready to get roasted. You're not impressing me. All right, let's get to the coding. Okay. So I already bootstrapped the resource. My next task is to add my user to the security object of my resource. So I've already bootstrapped this. So when my node gets created, database security as opposed to security. Okay, so I guess it's only going to be in core. I'm going to call it database security. Maybe I'll use the user class. Oh man, that intro really took my voice. I'll have to slow down on the talking. I really like this song because it reminds me of usually when this kind of issues take a shortcut for me kind of micromanagement happens in software. They usually complain about it takes too long, and if it doesn't, like in my case in my career, if I did manage to engineer it so that it didn't take too long, and I got everything done and I got everything tested, and I was comfortable with presenting my software project, then they complain, oh, I didn't take it far enough. And this like make it juicy, that's kind of reminds me of that. It's like they always try and make it too juicy, Ooh. Now this one works. Oh, okay, there's a parsing. What? There's replication. Hey.
Like free? Well, you can get that free trial and the free shipping with the free version of Daily Banking. Now that the Tangerine checking account includes Visa Debit, pay anywhere that takes Visa using the money you already have. Get a free Daily
Excuse
Banking
me.
now with Visa Debit.
It's also a good one. I'm just gonna test my user bootstrapping and everything one more time, because I like to do that. It's not wasted time. It's called securing your work in progress. A little trick I learned from not taking all the shortcuts. And this is why I checked that. What? Logics. Whoopsie. I could only delete my node, but what the heck. It's easier this way. Might as well pin this. Whoopsie! But I fixed this one. No, you don't. Okay, maybe I do need that security plugin. Because this doesn't seem to work. I wonder why. Cool. So if I do a find, this is a post. Okay, so this looks like it's doing a post of some sort. And it's not matching, probably because it's not in the find. It's in the security. That's okay, bro. Look here. Couch TV secure. Oh, cool! I even found a better library. Oh no, okay. It's S.
Better than something awesome? Lots of awesome.
Lots of awesome. It's a good version. Suppose that's a save. Woo! Ugh. Oh damn, another low level security vulnerability. I'm so unimpressed. That's cool, bro, that's cool. Where's my PouchDB instance? It is not here. Ooh. I can't believe this doesn't throw, because I don't really have the relational side of the database, so I'm not sure exactly why this works. I guess it replicates. It's really weird. Anyway. Is it in here? Oh yeah, okay. So, I suppose this is where I should update the plugins. I don't even know if I need the authentication itself. Oh yeah, I guess I do, because it'll use this database when it's creating the user. So happy. Boom. Wait. Oh, cool. Fetch. Fetch, doggy! Promise? Doggy. Scooby say woof. Members. Dot add names and roles. Dot members dot names no add names. Okay. Dot members dot add names and then I go this dot state dot save. Did it update? No, it's fine. Oh, cool. Oh, come on. Length 1. Let's see. I'm not giving up on this. This is not optional anymore. Await fetch. So here it should get me security. Man. Security fetch. Oh, I see. Maybe it is working. Okie dokie. So trial number 9,999 is like this. This and this. Okay, maybe it doesn't know. I don't know. But now, I should see something. Come on. Security. Members' names. Ooh. Ooh. I just have to re-add my... For some reason it doesn't get the current security, so I have to re-add my own. That's cool! Well, maybe it does, I don't know. Let's test it again. Trial number 1000, supposedly. I'm not gonna care about replication anyway. I'm done boring my viewers with that. For now. Yes! This enables decentralized orchestration. This is so cool. Okay, let's just run this. What? That was weird. I better make a copy of this. What the heck? Good thing I had an undo. Saved by the undo, apparently. This is scary stuff, man. That was a scary bug. Alright. User key, good. Oh, because it screwed up security, I think, and it's, I don't know. Anyway. Scary. Alright. Right, it should exist. There's no reason why it shouldn't. And what about this one? Just in case I'm getting my databases mixed up? No. Okay. So let's see. I just have to recreate the security object. Members, admins. Okay. Alright. So state members names, admins names. So now I have to add them back. Okay, so actually, I'm gonna do this here. State. Admins. Whoa! Stupid! I don't know why it's not working, but whatever. At least it saves. Cool. So, how's this going? Better. Okay. Cool. Let's do this. State. Cool. So now I just recreated it. Woo! Let's see. Damn! I just enabled the distributed orchestration, bros. Let's go! I know sometimes coding's boring, but this is not the case here. This is gonna be awesome. Alright. So if I was to somehow log into my node, let's do a different test. Let's do I add a user. Let's see. That should be 201. 201. Okay, now add a node to that user. I assume. Okay, good. So now I'm gonna log out. I'm gonna go root. I'm gonna log in with my user. And now, come on. I think I copied the wrong. Oh, yeah. Let's see what this user can look at. What does it say, Scooby? Ooh. Nice. Nice. If I save something. What do I get? Availability 1. Can I save it? Yeah, why not? Sweet. Cool, cool, cool. So this is my user administering this resource, which is the thing that is listened to by my Edge and my browser services. So I can orchestrate that data on that service through the database. I don't have to log into that database to see what is going on because it's already replicated on my user database. But I do have to do that if I want to do deployments. So it's well organized. Yes. Okay, next task. Ooh, this one's gonna be big. Okay, so now that I have this, I think it's this one, and it replicates to Hold on, let me clean out my replications. Okay, so this is the bootstrapped one, and this is the one that I set up. Okay. So this one replicates into, this resource replicates into the user, which means that I have to now manually bootstrap this one package to a deploy config or something. I don't know what it's called. Node config. Yeah, to a deploy config here. Okay, let's call it a deploy config. I don't know. Should I? Yeah, I think I should. Alright, let me clean this up quick. And then nope. So deploy config, let's see. Okay, so it's only in node config that I use it. Node config, deploy configs. Deploy configs. Deployment mode. Cool. Okay, so that's fixed. What else? What's the other one called? Package config. User config maybe? Cool. One, two, three. So I just coded for like 2 hours. Wow. I'm gonna take a quick break, and then in half an hour I think I'm gonna play a quick game. Half an hour, 45 minutes, whatever. Alright, see you in a bit. Couple of minutes. Okay, I am back. I'm back. I can't do that. Alright, so what I need is a thing that loads from the, like my node registration will use it in the core, I guess. And I'm going to call it a deploy config. So, let's see. If it's deployed to the node, it runs, unless, I guess, it's not set to run or something. Okay, here we go. So it's going to be called and this, my friends, is called deploy config. Okay. So where are we? What do I do now? Let's delete this. Okay, so the config comes from package config. Okay. So it's pretty much the same. It needs to, let's see. So there's deploy config and then there's going to be deploy configs because it's going to look at the user it's going to look at the user, so that's going to be a deploy config call. It's going to take it from the user and just copy take those, the state is just going to be an array of package configs that it loads from the DB. Package config, right. So it's gonna load that. It has no save. So so it has no save, so I'm going to call it package config deploy or something, and it's going to load that and store it in the state. And then it's going to have a list of those. I guess I better just bootstrap this. Let's see. If I just run this again. Here's my backup. Come on then. Pip pip. Yes. Okay, so what I'm doing is copying this. No. Copying these. Availability and security. Just gonna check this real quick. Availability. So it's gonna be any. And security doesn't matter.
So what happens on this podcast, Alex? The podcast is recorded.
So it has to be any because I'm bootstrapping. Okay, so the deploy file, the deploy function, deploy configs.
Hotspot.
Okay. So it's gonna get these configs from a database. Doesn't matter what the security is like. Package config. See, security what's to public. Oh right, okay. This is just because it's bootstrapped, but they're really private. And then the mode equals the mode of the node. Okay, so here I have mode. Core, because if I have a node that's core, I still need to bootstrap that. So I'll get that from here. Let's see. It's got mode as a default? No. Pass in mode. Where's mode? Oh, because it has to pass in through the request. Here. Mode. Cool. Okay. So there's a mode. I get my okay, so this is the user, the DB that I'm deploying to. I'm going to need a DB that I'm deploying from. User DB chat? We'll see. This will be a good test of this validator. We'll see what I need to do. I'm a little nervous, but that's okay. Okay, so from the user DB, availability. Ooh, and I'm gonna have a schema, I think. Package config schema. And also, okay, so from the user DB, I get my package configs, filter them. So load. Let's see, does this have, it has a parse. Oh, because I need to use find on them, so that's fine. I love these songs. They're so good. Am I a rapper yet, boy? I don't sing. else? Security, private, public, whatever. Name? No, no. I think I'm done. Okay, cool. So for let package config how do I get an attachment now? Let's see. Oh, cool! This will be so handy. Okay. So dot attachment. Let's see how these look. Dot attachments. Oh, cool. Alright, so I'm just gonna this dot state dot equals okay, so this should be interesting. Well, I mean, it's fine. I know it won't give me the whole attachment, and usually it'll just give me a stub, and then I'll just pass it in there. We'll have to see how it behaves for there. And then here, just gonna make sure they're all loaded first of all. Okay, so in my node registration I need a user DB and the mode. got username, and then in this case it's r.mode. And then the user DB is user database dot state, because that's my API. How's that Google versus Oracle going, guys? Am I making massive copying? Okay. So I'm gonna add the user, like a new user. I don't have to rebootstrap this. I hope, yeah. And then I'll add the node. Okay, let's go. So I don't have to delete these things, I guess. No. That's not what I want. Ooh, in 15 minutes I'm gonna be done everything. I wonder what I'll do next. Maybe I'll cut it short today. Extra short. Just to show you that if you're gonna lurk, you're not gonna get everything you want. Okay, 201, and now, moment of truth. State. Oh, wow. Really? So what happened there? Okay, so I made the replication and it made the call. I have to delete that replication, okay. Okay. So let's do this again. Package configs. What did I miss? Okay, fishy. Where's my package configs? Ooh. State. So wait a minute. Node DB root. Deploy configs. Wait just a second. What's the name on this? Name. This is the user config. What in the heck? Node config. Because I left it there. It's good to know anyway. So for some god awful reason, this is loading a node config. My old node config to be exact. That's weird. Oh, I see, because it parses. Package. Dang it! Let's try this one again. I see what's happening. Okay. Not that one. Genius. This one. leave the replication alone, and then try again. Okay, state dot package configs. How are you telling me it's not iterable? It's an array. Oh damn. Damn bug. Okay, so I think I'm pretty good now. Gonna clean up my database one more time. Okay. Kill this, and we're back to coding. So how do I save this now? Actually, what would be cool here is a different pattern. Not this dot state. This dot load. So this is safe. So I can only have one to do. Use this pattern. There should be two of these. Okay. And then So I got my packages. And then this thought, dang it. Let, I don't know, red equals this dot state. This dot state equals that. That result no. Read. Is actually called the deploy config schema. Let's save. Where's my attachments? Attachments. Woo! Actually, this is gonna be like this. So this is gonna take this result. This will be interesting if it actually works. I think it should, because the only time it'll overwrite the result is after everything's evaluated. So it'll evaluate this, evaluate that, and then put them all together. And actually, I don't even need this. I could just say result. So actually, I could cram it on one line. Okay. So it's gonna put the package configs attachments. And it's gonna write the result. And that's how you copy it. Bootstrap. Okay, Bootstrap. So, okay. Let's see if I can hold the break till I can get this working. My bladder's not happy, but I should only take 5 minutes. Oh, an ID and revision. Ooh. Cool. Alright, Mr. API. Let's see. Well, who will win? My bladder or my code? Okay, well at least it works. I forgot to change this. Okay, I'm gonna need to rebuild. I'm not gonna worry about that. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna worry about the replication, it's fine. I'm just gonna delete this user. You know what the shortcut is? That pretty much every software person that I've seen argue for is called. It's called a premature optimization. Not to be confused with something from SexEd, which is different, but the same. So, just saying. I'm still laughing at those. Alright, let's see. There. Oh no, it's not, eh? Or read. Okay. Let's try this again. Read. Okay. Let's try quick retry. Let's see. Node registration. Yeah, there's no reason for this. Again. It's as quick as I can make it. For all the shortcut premature optimizers out there. Come on. Come on. Okay. If not this dot stick, I'm so confused. Oh, damn it. never gonna give you up. Come on. My bladder is gonna explode. What? Actually, cool. Alright. Send it. Come on. Okay, this one's weird. I guess I'm gonna have to take that break after all. That one's weird. Okay, I'm gonna take a break, clean up everything, and then try again, because that was weird. Let's see. No? Okay. I better stop repeating this song. Alright. Be right back. Alright, ladies and germs. Oh, why is the floor wet? It's not my bladder, come on. Alright. So, let's clean this up. See what's wrong here. I think it's this replication probably. I can't imagine. I cannot imagine. Where's my user? Oh, yeah, right. Boop. User config. Boop. Okay. Is package config alright? Like, should I be worried? Yeah, it's fine. But, why is it screwing up?
Some guy called Peter.
Peter. He needs a better Peter tingle. Alright. So now it should run. Node registration. Deploy config. Right. So here I will have to wait and see why it failed. Ooh, no. Okay, Peter Tingle. Oh! Also a cool song. But a little, I don't know. A little house for me. It's cool, but no cigar. Okay. So here I send it. Let's see. Cool. Now it works. I think that was a one-off. Or something happened here. Read. Okay. So attachments and attachment. Oh dear Lord. Okay. So apparently attachments gets deleted, not this. Okay. No underscore. One more. So this should be good. Let's try it just by deleting the resource from here. See what happens. Let's go. Also very house. But at least it's done. It's not very long. Guinea pigs. I also can do come on then, let's go. I think the other time I was too fast or something on the draw. Maybe like this time? What's going on? What the heck? Hold on. Size timeout. Oh, 404. Weird. Let's go, let's go, let's go. If I was still holding my bladder, I would have made my forward by this point. This is so slow to develop in these environments. Holy cow. Node. I think the 404 is from not cleaning everything up. So I'm gonna have to do that. I don't know what it is, but I'd rather just fix. Okay. So if I send it, cool. Stark edge. Result. Cool. Result. Okay. And I need another one at... Yeah. Unknown type package config. That might also not help the problem. Alright, let's go. Nodes here. Okay, so everything's done. I have bootstrapped my node with the package. So here, deploy config, yes! But this failed, right heck in here. Alright, so I'm so glad I set my schema properly. Nice. Really nice. Okay, let's see. Clean it up. Boom. Whoa, look at that. Alright. No more breakpoints. This time is like, if I was holding my break, I would totally lose if this doesn't work. It's like 200% fail. And this is a nice chill song to end it on with. It's like if I was depressed, this is like one step above depression. It's like the hope at the end of the tunnel in a musical terms. Alright, let's do this. Send it. I feel like I'm a sniper every time I send this with the code, because it takes so freaking long by the time it gets there. Yeah, debugger. Alright, this is my deploy attach. Woo! Okay. Sorry, I lose my voice. Too much shouting. Sorry. Okay, so now that I've deployed my packages to my node, my relevant packages to my node, Annie. I wonder if I should do it like what? No, this is just for the bootstrap. I'll do the tag one through the bootstrap deployer. This is just the bootstrap. This is the bootstrap per deployer. There will be a bootstrap deployer from these two packages. So query config and edge config, they'll actually bootstrap the subsequent bootstrappers. So this is just the first step. So those packages can now start being deployed once in my edge I write something that basically runs them inside the run directory. So the core node already bootstrapped its own deployment bootstrapping package. So now I just have to write that and reuse as much as possible between them, and I guess I'll be ready to start listening to these kinds of deploy configs. One thing I do think this will need on the deploy is how many number of pods from the package config, I want to say? No. I don't know. Package con. Let's see. So this comes from package config. So that package wants to deploy so many pods. I guess I can subsequently like scale them up, unless I really want to start. I guess I could say pods per node or something. Pods per node. Something along those lines. So here to do is pods per node. I'm going to leave this open and pin it. Okay, so that's it. Now it's Bootstrap. Now I get to run my own packages that I deployed from Core and from Edge. I guess browser will have to use something else. Will use its own kind of separate logic. But anyway, that's it for me for today. This is Friday, signing off early on all the lurkers so that they get confused. If you don't want to be called a lurker and you care about the future of Corona because we're making a distributed operating system to be able to prototype and build bioreactors a lot faster, please follow our Twitch channel. My handle is Mr. StarkOS. This is Friday, signing off. Have a great week next week. See you next Sunday.